So let's talk about arithmetic operations on complex numbers. Let's define z1 as a1 plus b1i, z2 as a2 plus b2i. Now, addition of z1 and z2, we take the a components and sum them together, and then we have b1 plus b2, the components summed together, multiplied by I. With subtraction, we have the same thing going on, except now with a1, instead of a1 plus a2, we have a1 minus a2. Same thing goes for b1 and b2. We have the subtraction in the middle. With multiplication, we have foiling. We take a1 and multiply by a2. Then we take the first term of that z1 and multiply by the second term of z2. So we get a1 times b2 right there. We factor out I here because we notice that when we do the first term of the second z2, that is, and we multiply that by the second term of z1, that still has an I with it. So we're able to factor it here. Now, b1i times b2i turns into minus b1 times b2. The minus occurs because we have I squared, and I squared is equal to -1. Division is a bit more complicated, but first let's talk about the conjugate. Now z with the horizontal bar on top is what we say is the conjugate of z. That's equal to a minus bi. The sign changes in the middle. So we could actually think of division as z1 over z2 multiplied by the conjugate of z2 over the conjugate of z2. This is a value of 1, so we don't change the value of z1 divided by z2 here. The whole purpose of that is so that we could get z1 divided by z2 back into the nice a plus bi form.